Oh my God, listeners, you won't believe the seismic shifts happening in the global construction industry. If you think you've seen it all, think again, because today we're diving into trends that could redefine market strategies worldwide. Trust me, you'll want to grab a pen for this one. Let's start with the United States, where opportunity and challenge collide. Did you know that construction project planning skyrocketed by 26% at the start of 2025? That's massive. But here's the catch: labor shortages are biting hard, with construction unemployment up to 5.2%. And if that's not enough, building material prices have soared by over 40% since pre pandemic levels. What does this mean for you? Higher costs translate directly into project delays or ballooning budgets. So the key here is early procurement and modular construction solutions. Bank on efficiency, because the market is demanding speed and cost control like never before. Now, over to Europe, where things get interesting. Infrastructure investment is driving growth across the region, but, and this is a big one, budget cuts in the EU's Global Europe program could slow progress for public projects. Translation: private sector opportunities are becoming king. Smart investors should focus on renovation trends. Urban redevelopment projects are exploding, and green building codes are creating new demand for sustainable expertise. Want in on the European action? Renovation and eco-friendly materials are where the cash is flowing. Shifting gears to Asia, let's talk South Korea. Here's the fuel for thought. The construction workforce has dropped for 9 straight months, but, and this is huge, zero energy housing is set to become mandatory for all new apartments starting 2025. That's a goldmine for sustainable tech investors. The future of Korean construction is green, but watch for cautious growth. Industry utilization is only at 75.8%, so tread wisely with your capital placement. Patience may pay off here. China is playing a long game of balance. Infrastructure and urban projects on fire, driving stability in the industry. But don't be fooled. Tight credit and cutthroat competition are hammering construction firms. They're walking a razor-thin line on financials, so follow the giant companies with steady balance sheets and government backing. Expect modest growth of around 1 to 3% in 2025. It's not flashy, but it's consistent, perfect for investors looking for caution with upside. Now to Japan, where resilience meets innovation. Disaster preventative infrastructure and energy-efficient buildings are their bread and butter right now. Sustainable construction, it's booming. And here's what's genuinely exciting. Interest in cutting-edge smart cities and IoT-powered buildings is skyrocketing. Japan is an innovation magnet, and this is your moment to tap into clean tech partnerships or invest in companies spearheading these trends. Mark my words, this is where the future thrives. And let's not forget those overarching global trends shaping every corner of the industry. Sustainability is no longer optional. It's the ticket to remain competitive. Labor shortages worldwide are pushing prefab and modular techniques into the mainstream. What was niche yesterday is now vital today. And while digital technologies like AI and IoT are streamlining construction workflows, investors should brace themselves for ongoing spikes in material costs. If you can weather those headwinds, the long-term play is ripe for disruption and profit. So, what's the bottom line? Stay ahead by thinking green, smart, and fast. Whether it's capitalizing on America's modular boom, Europe's retrofit wave, South Korea's zero-energy revolution, China's urban growth, or Japan's tech brilliance, opportunity is knocking everywhere. But you've got to act boldly and act now. All right, that's it for today. Don't sit still. Digest these insights, reevaluate your strategies, and plant your investments where the growth is green, the innovation is bold, and the markets demand resilience. Until next time, stay sharp and stay invested.